Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a 1.2 litre TSI Match Edition 90 PS. The car's, unlike the weather, it's great and it has a spec to match, including cruise control system, ultrasonic front and rear optical and audible parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, and 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. The boot's very deep and has a spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a composition media system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.